Alright, remove the downpipe from the turbo. Right up there. 3 fun 13mm bolts. And we're going to take a look in the exhaust side of the turbo. See what the condition looks like in there. Now, pushing from the other side, the intake side, there's some play, but I'm not seeing any oil or any leakage out from this side. And the shaft play is about 1 millimeter. Pushing from either end, you can feel it from the other end. Rotating the shaft from one side, you can feel it on the other, so no shearing or anything like that. Yeah, that's all I can tell from that one. Go ahead and pop that back on there. Maybe. Nope, can't feel a entry point whatsoever. There it goes. Just to close it up for now. Then, if we look up on this side again, just for fun, pull that out. Back up here. Go to the inside here. See if we can push on it. Side to side. Pull it out first.